The time is 5:29 p.m. Central Time. We had a brief tornado to our southwest. That's probably about 3 or 4 miles to our southwest there. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Okay, the camera cord got locked for a second.
Is that nice or what?
That's nice.
We did it, man. We got a good one.
A real good one. We picked a needle out of the haystack here.
That's for sure.
I think it found the boundary.
I think so.
Starting to lose contrast.
Want to reposition? Go north?
Yeah, well, let's wait till we completely lose it, I guess. Unless you just want to go. I mean, it may cycle and do it again. That's another consideration.
Yeah, I think we should go north.
Okay, go ahead, because we're losing contrast anyway.
Okay.
Okay. Great deal.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Whatever you think, I'll let you handle it. I'll let you have mine too, obviously.
Okay.
But
I'll keep my head back.
okay, just whenever you think it's good to stop, go ahead. I'll let you decide.
All right. There's people on the side of the road right here, so.
Try to get on the west side of the road this time to avoid the traffic. Those cars going by are very annoying. Starting to get contrast too.
Yeah. If I go further north, we'll get lots of contrast.
Yeah, just bust it.
This guy just wants to pass.
Oh, let him. Let him die.
Oh, is that beautiful or what?
Yeah, nice contrast now. It's getting lit on both sides.
That's what I thought. If we kept going north, it'd be better.
It improves contrast, yeah.
Better and better.
Yeah. Still got a little bit of life left in it, that's for sure. It's still going.
I'm going to take a left up here.
Okay. Nice. Look at it go.
Okay, dropping your window.
Yep. Top of the hill, top of the hill. I think we can see the ground level now. There you go. Boy, that's 2 miles away in the field over there. If you want, you can, well, whatever you think, however you want to shoot.
I'll just have to depend on yours.
Okay. Well, we're starting to lose our contrast yet again. It's just going too dim. Okay. Well, I don't know. It's starting to filament out, so I'm not sure.
What if it recycled and doing it?
Yeah, go ahead then. Yeah, it's going north at a pretty good clip.